next step is to optimize the probe path. Optimizing the probe path automatically reorders the measurement features to optimize the path with the fewest number of probe rotations. Now, because we're talking about probe rotations, that means that the accessibility analysis must be done prior to optimizing the probe path, because that way Checkmate already knows what the best positions are. Now, to invoke Optimize Probe Path, if you go to the Measure ribbon under the Programming Automation pull down, select Optimize Probe Path. Okay, so we're back in Checkmate here, and again the prerequisite to this is to perform the accessibility analysis, which you can see in the probe accessibility column we've already done. So this is about optimizing the path with respect to the measurements themselves. So if we look at the measurements down at the bottom here, 2, 4, 6, we got about 7 of them. You'll notice that the feature names are kind of in an ascending order, 1, 2, 3, 6, 8, 9, 12. And the appropriate positions, which you can see are kind of mixed up and jumbled. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the Measure ribbon and select the drop down of Programming Automation, and we're going to select Optimize the Probe Path. Okay, so you can see now what happened is the measurement features have been reordered, and you can see we've got the position 1, then it goes to position 2, then 31, and then the rest of the 3. So it reorganizes the program so that there's the fewest amount of probe rotations necessary to increase the performance of the actual runtime program.